What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some pretty exciting stuff actually for the Civic. Once again, of course, what other car do we work on here aside from the Civic? We finally got our Konigs in. If you guys didn't see the last video, make sure you go check that out now. Should be a little card popping up in the top there. With the previous video revealing our brand new Konig countergrams, hyper chrome with machined lips. And we just wrapped these beauties in some 205 5015 Nitto Neogens. Boom! Check those out. Tell me those wheels don't look good and are gonna look good on this thing. Look at those big beefcakes. 205 5015 Nitto Neogens, 15 by 8 plus 25, 4 by 100 Konig countergrams. Going to go absolutely crazy on this car. Now, funny story, but this fender's rolled, this fender's rolled, and that fender's rolled. But this fender is not rolled, because that POS fender roller right here is a POS, and let me do 3 fenders and then broke and is now unusable. So we got Eli's. We're gonna go ahead and lightly roll this fender just because it's already scraping with these, and these are 15 by 7, so when you're adding width it's just gonna get worse. We are gonna have to dial in the suspension, but I'm not gonna be doing that today. I have to adjust the ride height, get them equal on all 4 corners, as well as set the preload. And today is just a test fit to see what these beauties look like on the EG. So without further ado, let's get that jacked up and rolled and see what we can do with these. Okay, so first dilemma, fender roller does not fit, and it's as low as it can go. So I will having to be bust out the spanner wrenches and mess with the sizing. Little update for you boys. The coilover just popped out of the sleeve because, well, I went too high with. Now I'm gonna have to go ahead and take the whole coilover out of the car. Okay boys, after much struggle, we have gotten the rear coilover and whatnot back together. The whole rear end's back together. 3 new Dorman OEM bolts on there. We couldn't roll the fenders with the fender roller we have. It wouldn't fit in there. So I kind of just bashed them in enough to get them out of the way. I don't have patience for little things like wrapping, fender rolling, wiring, shit like that. So if I have to get it done, I'll have to do it somewhere else or see if, you know, Eli's got a different plan of attack. But the whole rear end's put back together. I just need to tighten everything. I just need to take measurements of the coilover on that side that didn't get moved so I can match it back to this, tighten everything up, and then we can start test fitting the Konigs finally. Okay, so I'm doing the Adam LZ spec preload setting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hand tight the top ring, and then I'm gonna snug the bottom ring up to it, and then I'm gonna tighten the top ring until I can fit the width of a spanner wrench in between the top ring and the bottom ring, and that should be pretty average preload, according to LZ. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's put a Konig on, boys. I think I went a little wide. You said what? Like... All right, boys, and there it is. 15 by 8 plus 25 Konig countergrams with 205 50-15s on a Civic EG. Nitto Neogens for tires, Konig countergrams for wheels. I think it looks absolutely insane. It's way too pokey in the front. Definitely gonna need camber on all four and to redo the coilovers again. But that's for a later date. We've test fit the wheels. And I gotta say, this thing looks insane, boys. Those wheels go crazy. Full shot of the car. How gnarly is that? It looks super, super good, and I'm pumped with the outcome. Polished on black is always a vibe. These wheels are a little bit too wide, like I said, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Comment, like, and subscribe. Leave me some feedback on these wheels and the tire option. I'll be sure to read them all, maybe do a video about it. Next weekend, we're gonna be doing lots of suspension tuning. Until then, peace out, boys.